Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert PNG image in Adobe Express. So let's start it. At first open your Adobe Express. Now you can see, now open the new interface in the Adobe Express. Now we scroll our mouse and we show the convert PN to PNG. Now select from convert to PNG. Now I select. Now click on picture. Now click on open option. Now convert the picture. Now click from download option. Now convert the PNG. Now open the download PNG picture. Now open the folder. Now double click from picture, open. That it's, I can see, convert PNG picture in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.